Dr. Chanuz, I am back in Long Beach at Novel U Wellness with you, and I've brought more questions, this time about Agnes RF Microneedling. So could you please describe what exactly is Agnes RF Microneedling? How does it differ from regular microneedling?
Welcome back, Jackie, to Novel U Wellness. Think of Agnes RF as the next evolution of microneedling. While traditional microneedling uses tiny needle to create controlled microinjuries that stimulate collagen, Agnes takes it several steps further. It combines those precise needles with radiofrequency energy, which is essentially controlled heat, and is delivered directly to a specific depth in your skin. What makes Agnes truly revolutionary is its precision. I can target exactly layers of tissue, whether that's fat cell or to be shrink, or collagen fibers that I want to be tightened, or sebaceous gland that I want to calm down for the acne treatment. It's like having a surgical precision tool that works without actually making incisions.
So would you please walk us through how Agnes RF actually transforms the jawline and the jowls?
This is one of my favorite applications because the results are so dramatic. As we age, the fat pads in our lower face start to shift and sag, creating those jowls that can make us look tired, older, and Agnes allows me to target those fat deposits directly with radiofrequency energy, which essentially melts and remodels them. At the same time, the treatment stimulates massive collagen production in the deeper layer of the skin. Think of collagen as your skin natural scaffolding. When we rebuild that structure, everything lifts and tighten naturally. Most patients see their jowls become more defined and lifted within weeks, and the result continue improving for months as new collagen forms.
So how does Agnes RF address double chins without surgery?
Double chin are often a combination of two issues: excess fat under the chin and the loose skin. Agnes RF addresses both simultaneously. I use precise needle to deliver radiofrequency energy directly into the fat cell beneath your chin. This process is called lipolysis, where the fat cells are heated and broken down naturally by your body. Meanwhile, the same energy is tightening the skin from inside out. What I love about this approach is that it's so much safer than surgical options. With virtually no downtime, patient can literally have this done under lunch break and return to work the same day.
Many people are interested in eye bag reduction but worry about treatments near their eyes. How safe is Agnes RF for that delicate area?
I completely understand the concern. The eye area is so delicate, and Agnes RF is actually ideal for eye bags because of its incredible, precise. Those puffy bags under your eye are typically caused by fat pads that had shifted or expanded over time. With Agnes, I can target those specific fat pads with pinpoint accuracy. Using the RF energy, shrink them without affecting any surrounding tissue. The treatment is so precise that I can work right along the lash line safely. Most patients are amazed and very comfortable and quickly see the result. Often within just a few weeks, their eyes look refreshed and more youthful.
So could this technology really provide a non-surgical eyelid lift? And how does that even work?
Absolutely. And it's one of the most requested treatment in my practice. When we talk about droopy eyelid or creepy skin around the eyes, we're dealing with the collagen that broke down over time. Agnes RF delivers controlled heat energy into the body deeper layers of the skin, which triggers your body's natural healing response. This creates new, strong collagen fibers that literally lift and tighten the skin for upper eyelid, which can create more visible lid space and reduce the hooding. For lower lids, it smooths out the lines and tightens creepy skin. And the beauty is that it works with your own body natural process. There is no cutting, there is no stitches, and there is no long recovery.
So, how effective then is this technology for treating active acne? And why would it work so well?
So, Agnes RF really shines because it addresses acne and its root cause. Most acne treatments work on the surface, but acne actually starts deep in your pores with overacting sebaceous glands, which are the glands that produce oil. Agnes allows me to deliver RF energy to those overactive glands, essentially calming them down or, in severe cases, reducing their activity permanently. That means less oil production, which means fewer clogged pores and breakout. What patients love in that they start seeing clear skin within just a few weeks, and unlike topical treatment that you have to use forever, Agnes create long-lasting in how your skin behaves.
So for patients with acne scarring, how does Agnes RF help remodel and repair the appearance of their scars?
Acne scars are essentially areas where collagen was damaged or formed incorrectly during the healing process. Agnes RF works by creating controlled microinjuries in the scar's tissue while simultaneously deliver heat energy. This combination breaks off the old damaged collagen and stimulates your body to produce few healthy collagen in its place. Over time, this literally remodels the scar tissues, making it smoother and more even with the surrounding skin. The RF energy also improves the circulation to the area and bringing in nutrition that helps the healing process. Most patients see gradual but significant improvement over several months.
Could you explain how Agnes RF softens nasolabial folds and deeper smile lines?
These smile line or nasolabial folds develop because the skin loses volume and support over time, combined with repeated muscle movement. Agnes RF addresses this by working in deeper layer of your skin where collagen lives. When I deliver the radio frequency energy to those areas, it creates new collagen that acts like natural filler, plumbing and supporting the skin from within. Unlike injectable fillers that adds volume, that they're adding volume artificially, Agnes stimulate your own body to create that support naturally. The result is a smoother, softer, more youthful looking, and continue to improve as your collagen remodels over time.
So how does Agnes RF contour and lift your cheeks?
So cheek sagging happens when the support of a structure under our skin weakens and gravity takes over. Agnes rebuilt those support structure by targeting multiple layers of tissue. I use the RF to tighten the fibrotic band that hold everything in place while simultaneously stimulate new collagen formation. This creates a natural lifting effect that restores youthful contour to the cheek. What wonderful is that the result look completely natural. You just look like a refreshed, more than, overwhelmed, and you look rested version of yourself. Not like that you had work done.
For overall skin texture and pore refinement, how does this technology improve the skin's appearance?
Agnes RF works at the cellular level to completely transform skin texture. The combination of microneedling and RF trigger what we call controlled wound healing. Your skin thinks it needs to repair itself, so it produces fresh new collagen and elastin. This process naturally tightens enlarged pores, smoother rough texture, and create that healthy glow we all want. What makes Agnes special is that it works in multiple layers of your skin simultaneously, so you get improvement in surface texture, deeper firmness, and overall skin quality. Patients all tell me their skin feels softer, look more radiant than it has in years. At Novel U Wellness and Medical Spa, I combine my internal medicine background with advanced training in aesthetic procedure to provide safe, effective treatment for all skin type and concern. Every treatment I provide is an opportunity to practice evidence-based medicine with compassionate care, creation results that stand out for itself. Just how you look, but how you feel about yourself. You're ready to explore Novel U Wellness, whether Agnes RF Microneedling is right for you? I'd love to meet you and discuss how we can help you. Schedule your consultation today and let's begin with this wonderful journey together.